In this tip, I'm going to show you how to disable sorting in a worksheet. First, 3, 2, 1. In this tip, I'm going to show you how to disable sorting in a worksheet. Let's look at an example. Let's say that we want to look at sales by subcategory, profit by subcategory, and quantity by subcategory. Notice when I hover over the sales axis, the profit axis, or the quantity axis, I see a little sort symbol. What I want to do is I want to sort by sales, but disable sorting by profit and quantity. I could also sort by hovering over the header for the subcategory, but we want to disable that as well. So first, I'm going to click on the sort next to sales. And now I'm going to go up to Worksheet on the menu and uncheck the Show Sort Controls option. Notice now when I hover over any of the axes, or when I hover over the subcategory header, the sort options are disabled. That's all there is to it. Have a great day.